Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Swatch automatic watch. We have this very beautiful red dial 90s Swatch automatic with the see-through back. So a very beautiful piece made by Swatch. Now as you can see here at 9 o'clock we have the date complication. Now you might find the date at 3 o'clock on most watches, also at 6 o'clock and sometimes at 9 o'clock, just as this movement has. Now the first thing that you want to take into consideration when setting the date on your mechanical watch, it can be a mechanical automatic watch or mechanical manual winding watch, is that you want to place the watch hands at 6:30. We want both watch hands to be placed on the lower half of the watch dial, and that is because usually the date complication can engage between 9 and 12 or 12 and 3 o'clock. Some of the watches can have a date complication, and that is why they can engage in this upper half, so between 9 and 3 o'clock, and we want the watch hands to be out of that area so that the date wheel is not engaged when we set the date. So first I'm going to pull the crown to the last position and I'm going to set the time at 6:30, just like this. Now I'm going to push the crown in and we are going to start the setting process. Now let's say that I want to have the end goal, so the date set to the 25th. I'm going to set the date to 1 day prior, so to the 24th, and then I'm going to set the time manually and go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock until the date changes to 25th, and then I'm going to know whether I am AM or PM. So that is why I want to set the date 1 day prior to the actual date that I want to have. So let's do that as well. Now that I have the watch set at 6:30 and everything is safe, I can pull the crown to the first position, and now I can set the date once again to the 24th because my end goal is the 25th. Now I'm going to pull the crown to the last position where I can actually set the time. Now I'm going to go with the watch hands manually past 12 o'clock to see if the date changes. As you can see, it did not change. Now I know that I am on the 24th and it is PM. And now when I'm going to go past 12 o'clock, as you can see, the date changed to my desired date, so to 25th. And now I can make it 5 AM, so 5 in the morning. If I want to make it PM, so if I want to be in the afternoon, let's say I want to make it 6 PM, as you can see, I went past 12 o'clock once again, and the date is still the 25th. And now I can go and make it 6 PM. Once I have set the correct time, simply push the crown all the way back in and you are done. You have correctly protected your movement, you have correctly set the date, and now you know whether you are AM or PM. And that is how you set the time and date on your Swatch automatic watch. This is going to apply to most mechanical watches, so both mechanical automatic watches and mechanical manual winding watches. Now if you found value from this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, watch reviews and watch unboxing videos. Give it a thumbs up guys, make sure to also leave a comment and I'm going to see you on the next video.